Hello everyone, today we will make Venice street painting, or you can also call it as a gondola painting. So let's get started. You can make this painting on a canvas or on a drawing sheet. So now for making the building part, we will make the brick pattern in it. So use a 4 number flat brush and mix white with the burnt sienna for making it a lighter tone, and for making darker you can mix a black with it. And while mixing, always make sure to moisture your sheet before starting. Also visit my website linked in the description box. For making the water portion, mix a bit water with the blue color and apply it in the whole rest of the space. For making the strokes, we will use ultramarine blue with a bit of white. For the shading part, mix blue with water and then apply it at the sides of all the objects. And in this Venice street painting, we will do the shading in all the objects. So take the darker tone and apply it in the certain parts. Now we will make the outline. You can use a black marker or a 0 number brush with the black color. For the boat, we will take the blue color, or you can also use the mauve or purple shade, whichever you have. If you don't have any of the materials, then all the links are given below in the description box. You can check from there. Now we will do the outlining in all the darker parts. So use the white color with the 000 number round brush and outline all the objects as shown. And we will also do some highlights with the white color. Now we will make the cherry blossom part of this painting, which is the most beautiful part. So take your old flat brush with pink and white color. Now start dabbing in the parts as shown. Make sure to clean the brush after switching the shades. We will also make some cherry blossom fall in the water, so do some dabbing in the water portion also. Now it's ready. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.